Hey Notion fans, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the divider style so it's not so boring and gray. One simple formula will help us with this. Let's type in $4 signs. Now put the cursor in the middle and write backslash, color, curly braces and color in curly braces. You can write the color as red, yellow, green, or as a hex code, for example hash 019987. To find the color you need, you can use one of the websites. Let me pick any color, for example this, and paste it in curly braces. Next we put the backslash again, print the rule. Next we have two pairs of curly braces. In the first curly braces we print the length of the divider in pixels, for example 500 pixels. In the second curly braces we print its width, for example 3 pixels. The magic formula is ready and you feel like a coder. Now how to convert the formula into a divider. When we manually type a formula into Notion, Notion defines it as plain text. To convert text to a formula for the divider, you need to clear the text style so that Notion automatically picks up the new style. I show you how to do it in two ways. Copy the formula text, copy, and for the first method we need to right-click and paste and match style. This is on a Mac. For Windows, as far as I know, there is also a special text paste. But you can go the second way. You can copy a formula from another source. It can be the description of my video or any text editor where you write this formula. Copy. Since Notion hasn't yet assigned a style to the copied text, simply paste the formula from another source. Paste, and simply pasting the formula from another source automatically convert it into a divider. Once the custom divider appears in Notion, you can edit its parameters, change its color, green, length and thickness. Just don't forget to press Done after making changes, otherwise the changes will not be saved. And for those who have watched to the end, I left the magic formula in the description of the video, so you don't have to type it. Have a great week, be energetic, cheerful and productive. See you soon!